Hey folks, Todd here. Today we're going to install the Husky Liners Guardian Comfort Bed Mat on this GMC Canyon. Now for the adhesives we're using, we want to make sure everything's at least 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, now starting out, what I've done is I've put this upside down. I've also let it lay out with some weight on it to let it relax. This does come in a box all rolled up, so you can kind of see it's still curled up a little bit in the front and the back, but for the most part, it's relaxed. So next what we're gonna do is with it upside down, you'll notice we've got a couple of Velcro strips that are sewn into the mat. It's actually a hook and loop system, so we're gonna take the hook portion and set it right into the white loop portion and press that in. We'll do both sides. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and take it to the truck and get it nice and loose laid in place. And we're going to take note of where our hook and loop system is going to land on top of the bed. So I'm just going to put a little mark on there so I know where to prep, as well as on the other sides. All right, now for prepping the surface, there's a couple of different directions you can go. If you have a painted surface that we're attaching to, all you need to do is take some isopropyl alcohol with a rag and wipe down that surface thoroughly with the isopropyl alcohol to clear off any kind of debris. If you have a spray and bed liner, and what we have, we first want to abrade the surface. So use either like a steel wool, sandpaper. I've got some 3M Scotch-Brite. It's going to kind of rough up that surface a little bit. Now that the surface has been abraded and roughed up, what we're going to do is then go ahead and take our isopropyl alcohol and wipe it down. All right, now once the isopropyl alcohol is dried with a spray and bed liner material, then you'll apply some adhesive promoter. All right, repeat that same process on the opposite side. All right, now that we've got everything prepped, we're gonna go ahead and set it back in place. Peel back one side, pull away the adhesive protector, and then drop it into place, press it down, repeat the same on the opposite side. Well, it's just that simple, and that concludes the installation.